In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube handle or how to reserve your YouTube handle. So if you're watching this video shortly after release, the handles will have just been released by YouTube and they're still being rolled out. So you might not have access to this just yet, but if you do, then you should have received an email by YouTube saying that you can choose your handle now. And if you haven't yet, you might want to check your YouTube Studio and it should give you a notification up here. And if you do have that, or if you don't have it, you can check anyways. You go over here to customization and then onto basic info right here. And so then right here you have the username for your channel, the normal username that you're used to. And then down below here is the unique handle. And as it says right here, it is unique. So keep that in mind. And so for example, this one would be taken already. So I would have to change to a different one, and then it'll say that the handle is available right here. And now I could save it. So in order to save it, I would have to click on publish up here. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to change my handle. And if you did have a custom URL, this one right here, before these changes occurred, unfortunately you can't set one currently until they have rolled out the handles completely. Then your custom URL, the part after the C, will be reserved as a handle for you in most cases. That's what YouTube says. Not sure what most cases means, but yeah. So in my case it was reserved, and it automatically used my custom URL as my handle. And so as per the eligibility requirements, I'm not sure who has access to it right now, since this is a channel that does not have 1,000 subscribers or anything like that. As you can see, it's got 297, and it is also not monetized, obviously. And I do have another monetized channel, the one that you're watching right now, and that one has not got access to handles yet either. So I'm not quite sure what the eligibility requirements are. It might be that the channels that have had a custom URL may have access to it right now. So if you do have access to this feature, you should definitely choose your handle right now, because as I said, it is unique and one handle can only be taken by one account. So make sure to reserve yours if you do have access to it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.